Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today let us analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty charts, and I'll also be sharing certain FNO stocks that you can keep in your watch list for the coming week. So let us begin with Nifty. So this is Nifty day chart, and as you can see, Nifty formed a bullish structure on Friday, and if we gap up tomorrow or if we sustain above 16,722, we should be good for 16,970 levels this week or in this series, that is the September series. So this can be but basically this is a nice structure and this can be a breakout coming this week. So let's go into intraday chart of Nifty. And as I've already marked out this level, 16,722 is a critical level. And if we gap up or if the price sustains above, we should be bullish. And any dip or a gap down, I think 16,650 level can act as a support for Nifty, and also possible levels can be, or possible levels of support can be 16,600 level. So let's see how the price action unfolds for Nifty tomorrow and this coming week. So we'll be like analyzing Nifty and Bank Nifty charts on a daily level and see how it performed for the day and what can be the view for tomorrow. So let's go into Bank Nifty. And as you can see, Bank Nifty is getting sold at the higher levels, but it's also maintaining a good structure when you see here. And I believe, a breakout above this trend line should be a great breakout for Bank Nifty. Of course, considering that 35,900 and 36,000 levels are a good supply zone, or it has been a great supply zone. So you can follow me on my Telegram channel for live intraday levels for Bank Nifty. So coming to the support levels, 36,300 or 350 levels, or 35,350 levels can be a good support level for Bank Nifty. Any dip towards this levels can be bought into. So look out for the price action that occurs across these levels, that is 35,900 level and 36,000 level, and a breakout above this trend line can make Bank Nifty bullish. And I'm definitely bullish on Bank Nifty for this series. It's been underperforming for quite a lot of time, a lot of fake breakouts, and I'm definitely sure a lot of traders are looking out for Bank Nifty to outperform. And I definitely believe September is a series for banks. So let's see how it goes. So the next chart on my list, that is, I have ICICI Lombard chart. So it had a great structure or a great breakout on Friday, and definitely any dip coming towards 1537 levels or 1500 levels will be bought, and we can be bullish on this structure, that is the ICICI Lombard structure. And it has a supply zone around 1600, and hopefully it will be reaching this target soon. It's a nice structure that can be bought into. So look out for the price action and how the price sustains at this levels, and then you can go for or look for buying opportunities in this stock. So that is for ICICI Lombard chart. So let us go for the next stock in my radar. This is Emphasis. As you are aware, IT has been rallying crazily this last month. So that is in the August series. So as you can see, it is sustaining above this previous breakout levels. And this is a nice bullish structure formed on Friday. And I am bullish on this stock. So possibly tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if it sustains above 29,10 levels, we should be reclaiming 3,000 levels easily in this stock. That is Emphasis. It's IT stock. Many of you would be knowing this stock name. So these are the levels for Emphasis, and any dip towards 27, 28 can be bought into. So look out for the price action at this levels and take your trading decisions based on that. So next comes Mindtree, a clear flag breakout and amazing structure. And let's say if we have a dip anywhere towards 3550 levels, it can be bought into. So look out for the price action, and tomorrow or day after tomorrow or in this week, it can give us a nice structure. So I'm expecting a bullish view on this Mindtree stock. So let's see how it performs. So next stock in my radar, that is SRF, Shriram Finance. Again, a nice breakout, and if you can see any dip towards 92.79 can be bought into, and based on the price action that can occur at this level. So I'm definitely bullish on this stock, and you can maintain a stop loss of, let's see, 8890, or basically you can make it as 9,000 level. It's a psychological level, and see how it can perform in the coming week. So again, a bullish breakout in SRF. Let's see how it performs. So coming to next stock, that is Torrent Pharma. So a great breakout on Friday, and any dip to 482 levels can be bought into. It did get sold off towards the closing, but I'm definitely still bullish on the structure. Can we can probably have a like a pullback and then a breakout scenario in this. So let's see how the price sustains. So the next stock in my radar is HDFC AMC. This can be a bullish structure. This is a bullish structure, but it can face some selling pressure at these levels. So, but definitely worth keeping in your watch list in the coming weeks, and probably a dip towards 2920 levels, and then a breakout can occur. So let's see how it performs for this week. So next is National Aluminium, a metal sector stock, and the metal rally is like well known for the stock market participants. So basically, this did come down to its support level, and it's trying to sustain above. And this is definitely worth keeping in your watch list, or you can possibly invest in this now at this level. And any dip towards 71 levels can be bought into, and we have a supply zone around 90 levels. So let's see how it performs, but you can keep it in your watch list and see how it can perform for this coming weeks. So next is Navin Fluorine, so a chemical sector stock, a great stock along with Deepak Nitrate. So, and I'm sure all the market participants are aware of this stock. So a nice breakout or a nice bullish candle sustaining, above the previous supply zones. So I'm bullish such a beautiful structure, and any dip towards, let's see, that is a day low, that is 3540 can be bought into. So let's see how it performs. So next is Divis Lab. So Divis Lab at a bullish engulfing structure or a candle, and it does have a supply zone around 4970 levels, but this can be a good breakout, or it can give a potential breakout above 5000 levels. So keep in your radar and look out for the price action near these levels. So any potential, or you can any dip towards 4792 can be bought into. So let's see, it is trying to bounce from support, and if sustained above this trend line, it can try and reach 5045 levels and reclaim its highs again. So the next stock in my radar. So this is BPCL, basically a government sector stock, a PSU. So after a long time, it has formed a bullish weekly structure, and as you can see, this levels, that is 466 levels, or any dip towards this should be bought into. Unless we gap down below this level, I think we should be able to sustain this level and look for higher zones of 500 levels. Of course, a lot of supply zones to be taken out here, but this can be a good stock to buy right now since it's forming a higher high on the daily chart. But a dip towards 470 should be bought. So if it is bought, then you can definitely look for longs in this stock. So coming to the next structure or the next stock, this is L&T. So L&T had a bullish day on Friday, and it did have some selling pressure at this level. But let's say if we sustain above this level, that is 1,666 levels, we should be bullish on this stock, and even like a pullback to this level, that is 16,026 levels, should be bought into. And if the price action agrees with these levels, you can go long at this level, either at 1,666 breakout or at a sustaining or a sustenance at 1,626 level. So let's go for the next stock. So this is ICICI Bank, a part of Nifty Bank index, and I'm definitely, what I can say, I'm definitely bullish on this, and hopefully it will break this trend line, and it should try and reclaim its all-time highs. Its all-time high is at 717 levels. So let's see how it goes. The short-term target would be reached any breakout above these levels, and any dip towards 680 levels. You can observe the price action and then take your trading decisions. So let's go to the next stock. So this is Berger Paints. The reason why it is in my radar after such a downtrend is because it's at a nice levels. So if you see here, this was earlier breakout level, and it's a retest of the breakout. And any bullish structure, in the intraday time frame, keep the low of the candle as a stop loss, as a straight stop loss, and you can take your longs here. And it's a retest after a long time. So again, it can be a bullish, it can turn bullish in this coming week. I would like to see a bounce, or a bullish candle in this, but it's definitely at the retest level. So this level, that is 773 level, becomes critical for Berger Paints for the coming weeks. So coming to the next stocks. Okay, so these stocks are not exactly bullish as of now, but I am betting on them to be bullish in the coming week or days. So let's see how it goes. A lot of volatility, crunch or contraction is happening, and it's been range bound. And any breakout above this, consolidation should give a nice move for the stock. So this is Colgate stock. And the next stock is Pidilite. Again, similar consolidation. Any breakout of this consolidation should give a nice price action. And next comes Marico. It will be in my watch list for now. Any bullish structure or a bearish structure, I'll be looking to take positions in them. So these are the stocks that I had for this week, and this is my first market analysis video. I'm sure many more to come. And if you like, or if you are getting to learn something about price action or technical analysis out of this video, and I'm giving you stocks for the coming weeks and Nifty Bank Nifty View, if it is helping you guys in any way, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll give the details about my other social media handles in the description. Please do take a look, and please give your feedback in the comment section. I'll definitely go through it and try to improve my videos. And have a great weekend and a great trading week and a trading day tomorrow. Stay safe and wear your mask whenever you go outside. And let us all together overcome this pandemic. And yeah, have a great day. Bye bye.